$30 before nagwa oh. Alright. We're going Sunday video. Mama.
Sunday grocery.
Sunday grocery, Sunday life.
And my snowstorm later.
Snowstorm
Start
later.
12 o'clock.
Tsura yun. Ano tsura mo? Ha? Mini mo?
Hindi ako pa video.
Ha?
Okay, vlog take over. Boom! Isang weather sabang guys. Weather check. And then check nyo karon kung ano ang Today is 9 o'clock in the morning.
Let's go guys!
And ang taon ta karon mag 12 na kagkaron sa hapon. Kung anong itsura na diri sa tubang palay. Okay, let's go. Bakod, no? Okay,
Cut
let's
mo na
go.
sa dito, sa nga ato na pala naglakat na. Kasi yan, yan ang...
Ito guys, ang tanan clear pa sa phone, pero later it's gonna be all white in here. Dari puro puti na da karon, puro puti.
That's tomorrow.
It's like 5 to 7 inches snow pa no. Diba?
Tomorrow na Monday, one day white na, one day winter white.
Yep. And then ma-exit kami na daw karon. Sa Amerika may mga exit na di sila sa Philippines wala, so mga baguhan nga driver kung halin sila sa Amerika ay halin sila sa Philippines ang mga ginakulbaan nila like may salak na da nga galusot freeway na diyo exit ka na malusot ka di dapat to, but you have to check kung may salak ka sa likod or wala. Gusto mo magbalik sa balay mo, sige ka balik. The first now, dara kami rin kanina.
Yummy. May mga crab din sila guys. Sa mga palat. Large eggs. Free range. Large mo na ito na? No, large na ba ito? Grocery. Saging. We're here guys. Grocery time. Saging saba, cabbage. And then that's it. We're done for today. Just kidding. Cute si ano. Kitty pie.
Ano po na tapa? Dua?
Ikaw? Yuda Sasyon. May special edition. Special edition. Ano yun? Taran.
Ay, buak.
Grabe na lipat nila guys. Ano gulag ko? Ano yung music nila may? Chokuwako! Dad? Chicken? Kansamida?
Yeah. Done with the 1 week grocery. It's fucking cold. Tuba kagit sa driver's side kaya ginaano apre. And that's our nanay. Dito sa paligid umaawit-awit. Perks of having a van. Dami mo butak mo, pwede mo matulugan, pwede mo yung balay, pwede mo malutuan. All in one. Woo! Tugnaw! Okay. Ay, di na ako agwanta guys. Matug na sunod ako. Tug na.
Yes. 1 week grocery. Let's see how much will it cost.
Yeah.
So we're done grocery. That 1 week covered for 126, which is there is about 7 to 8 pesos, 1,000 pesos. 1 week. So kind of like if you have 10k, you can live here for 1 week. 10k. 10k every 1 week. It's like living in the Philippines or living in the USA, you know.
Same lang.
It's just like the same thing. Alright, we're going home.
Russia. Okay.
Belize is next to Colombia.
Yeah, exactly. Colombia, Belize, Russia.
Yeah.
You know, we got around. Peace doesn't just
Mama, it's a part of today's video. What are we doing? Kamote Q. She's gonna fry kamote Q, guys. I'm watching Netflix. Beautiful! Wow! Yummy! Mmm. Pregnant, sagli mo yun? 15 years ago.
Sorry.
Ano naliwat? Buhay pa naka-end sa video, gali lang ga.
Oo.
And then end the video.
And the video with the snow.
Weekend and ano nga ayos guys? Ha? Let's go.